Last week's episode was the bandstand. Today, the staging board. And this is how it's made. The staging board, let's talk about it. Now this is an extremely over-engineered product. It's got the perfect strength to weight ratio, making it extremely light, but also strong. Now this is an over-engineered product, and it also integrates with all of our other products, including ladders, bandstands, and handrails. Now this is also a key member of a Lewis staging board system, which if you haven't seen that video, check it out right there. But today, I'm going to show you just how it's made. And this is the first step. Now, we've got 8 different products of the Lewis staging board, 8 different sizes. I know this one comes in at 3.6 meters. And right now, the first process is to punch it. So here I have 4 different styles on the bed of the machine. And I just want to punch it. Just like that, it feeds into the machine. We'll go about 3.6 meters backwards, and then I'll start to punch. So after these are finished, which they are, I'm going to lay them on the bed of our next machine. Now, before we get started on this process, we need to cut our rungs. Now, this will be using a machine you guys are very much familiar with, a cutting machine. Here's the 7D rungs we're laying on the bed of the machine. We again bring it to the center point, as you guys learned a lot about in the first episode, and we're going to be cutting at 612 millimeters today. After this is all cut, we're going to be bringing it over to our riveting machine, where we're going to put it into our style. Now we have our D rung, we can insert it in the style. Now this machine is my personal favorite machine. This is a riveting machine and a bulging machine. Now this consolidates the rung inside the style. It provides strength and safety for you. Now we've loaded up this staging board, we can add a safety rail to the side here, stopping any vibrations knocking the rung out of position. And just like that, we can feed it through the machine. Now here I'm doing my preliminary checks. I'm seeing if the oil works. The oil is functioning. Now let's test the size. Now I've got my 612 millimeter rung. I'm going to do a preliminary check. What that involves is to make sure the machine is fully calibrated, to make sure each product is exactly perfect. Now what I'm looking for the bulger to be exactly 1 millimeter closer in, so at 611 millimeters. This is done by eye. There we are. Now I have ensured the quality of the product. We can begin. Push it in. Now this has fully went through the process, time for a quality check. I'm now checking to see each rung is perfectly folded over, and I will not take any tolerance on this. Side is all clear. Since everything is perfect, it's now time to bring it to another part of the factory to add the wood and the finishing touches. Now we're going to be carrying this over to our finishing touches area, where we're going to be adding feet on and stickers. Also, we're going to be riveting this wood into place using a drill and a rivet gun. And once that's been finished, this is the finished product. And that was how it's made. Now, if you guys did enjoy the thought process behind this and the machinery behind this, check out our other videos as well. Now, if you believe this could be of use to you, we've got 16 different sizes in the staging board. So if you believe this can meet any of your needs, just take a look at the link below and you'll see our website. With that being said, leave a like, a subscribe, and also leave a comment. We want to hear your feedback. See you later. Till next time.